It's so unbelievably easy to add small pop-up clickable calendar in Google Sheet like this. All you have to do is select the cells that you want to add a calendar to like this. Then you go to Data, Data Validation. A window will appear on the far right hand side. Click on Add Rules. And in criteria, you're going to be selecting is valid date. And normally I like to put reject the inputs if you put a dodgy date. And then click on Done. And let's close this pop-up window here, or the windows on the right hand side. Now, if you go and click on any cell that you have selected for the date, double click on it, a pop-up window will appear just like this. If you want to add a clickable calendar in an individual cell, let's say for example here, all you have to do is type the word ampersand and type date in there. And then from this pop-up window, you're going to select date. And now you can select the date. And if you go back to the date and double click on it, you can see that the calendar appears